I'm Tim Fortescue, a life coach coming alongside of folks in their personal and spiritual development. Today, I'm going to lead you in a guided meditation to help you get in touch with a part that you may want to help or change the relationship with. And I'll be using the internal family systems approach. If IFS is new to you, you can check out my recorded talk and meditation on the basic assumptions of the model. As we begin, I invite you to get settled. It's best to have both feet on the floor if you can. Notice where your body comes into contact with the ground where you are. You can close your eyes if you'd like to. But if you prefer, just let your gaze rest softly in front of you. As you settle in, notice what parts are coming up. See if there's one part in particular that you'd like to get to know a little better. Don't overthink it. No need to make anything happen. If you can find a part that you want to get to know better, go ahead and focus on that part wherever you find it, in or around your body. And if you're having problems identifying a specific part, that's okay. Just notice what's coming up. Be curious if you can, and welcome the parts that you're noticing. A part can be a thought, a feeling, an action, an impulse, a belief, many other things. Just notice what's coming up. In either way, whether you're able to focus on a part or not, notice how you're feeling toward the part or parts that you're noticing. If you feel anything other than curiosity or acceptance, ask the reactive part if it be willing to separate from you, not interfere, just so you can learn more about your target part. Or maybe it's a target group of parts. And if there are fears of this part taking over, let the parts know that have those fears that we're not going to let it take over. We're just going to get to know it. Keep doing this with the reactive parts until you feel curious about the original part that you noticed the most. You may find that you don't get there, that other parts won't separate, and this is okay. You can just spend the time listening to their fears about separating. But if they do let you feel at least curious about the original part, then itself to listen. What does the original part want you to know about itself? What has the part been trying to do for you? What has it been trying to do to you? What might it need from you? And I'm going to stop talking for a little while now and let you get to know this part for a bit. And I encourage you to pause this recording as often as you need to allow your system the space and time that it needs. Check in with your parts. Specifically, that part you're noticing the most. What do you need to share with it? What would it like you to know? When it feels complete, if it feels right, you can take a couple deep breaths. Thank your parts for all they've done. Thank them for their courage and all that they've shared. Let them know that they're not alone. You want to spend more time with them if they'd like that. You want to give other parts a chance who may have wanted to share more today. Maybe let your parts know when you'll check back in with them, maybe later today or tomorrow, in the next 2 or 3 days. And when you feel ready, you can transition back to where you are. You can open your eyes if they were closed and do what you need to do to ease out of this work of meditation and checking in that internal world. Do what you need to do to take care of yourself. Thank you, and to all your parts, for your courage in joining me for this meditation today, and take good care of yourself.